Hey everyone, this is Ed from Tech Talk with a quick tutorial. So, do you have a USB device that's supposed to be 32 gigabytes or 8 gigabytes and it's only showing, like similar to mine, 5.74 gigabytes? Well, there is a quick and simple fix to most of these. This may not work for everyone, but go ahead and follow along and I'll show you how you can easily fix this. So, the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and right click on the start flag. Doesn't matter whether you got Windows 11 or Windows 10, just right click it. You should see disk management there. Go ahead and click on it. Once the disk manager opens up, you should be able to see your USB device listed in the list. If you don't, you have something else going on. But if you do, you may notice, like mine, you have a significant amount of unallocated space. That means that your USB at some point was formatted, most likely for a different operating system, or in this case, in a Windows operating system, NTFS. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this side of the drive, and we're going to right click, and we're going to just go ahead and click delete volume, and then I'm going to click yes to the scary message. And then now we're just going to go ahead and right click and create new simple volume. And I'm going to click next, next, and we're just going to leave it as E. I'm going to click next, and we're going to see if we can change it to FAT32. Now, if you don't have FAT32 option available, that means that you have a 64, you have over 32 gigabyte drive, and I will include a link in the description above that will show you how, not only the application to install, but how to use it. So then we're going to click next. And the link will be in the description below just in case you need it to. So we're going to go ahead and click finish on this. And now you'll see that it just created a simple volume. You can right click, go format, and I usually just leave the name, but FAT32, and then click OK. And click OK here. Now, the alternative to this, you can go into the file and go to this PC, and you can right click here and go format, and then you'll see the FAT32 and just click. I usually select quick format and hit start, and then you'll see the scary message here. Click OK, and then it should pop up telling you it's done and the format complete. It's a little bit more informative way of doing it. So that's it. Now you should have a fully functioning USB drive. If you have any questions or anything, please leave me a comment below. And please, if this helps you, at least hit that like button. All right, thanks a lot, everyone. You have a great day.